Yo, lovely viewers, I'm right here at Agavaji. Where I'm standing right now is Agavaji. This is the road. When you used to travel on the Keta Denu Aplawu Highway, before you walk from the roadside to the coastline, or that's the seashore, so many meters. But here we are. We are fortunate that today the tides are kind of low. Today is 5th March 2025. The tides are low. That's why we are not seeing the waves hitting the road. But yesterday, 4th March, 3rd March, the coastline was here. As you can see on the ground, the coastline was here on the road. The water will flow across the road into the lagoon here, as you saw earlier in the first videos a few days ago. You know, some time ago, the residents here have to break the quota, the road, so that they can allow easy passage of the sea water to cross. This is the integrity of the Keta Denu Highway. As you can see, vehicles are struggling to navigate the road. Right now, you can't see two vehicles bypassing each other. There's no overtaking on the road because of how the lane has been reduced. Now, there's something interesting here. Look at this high tension and the step-down pole. We still have power in them. The ECG is yet to disconnect them and take them down. We are expecting high tides in some few days, let me say hours. We don't know how high the tides will be. By the integrity of these electricity poles, as you can see from afar. I will take you to Salakope, the nearby community, where we have a similar or even worse scene. I will be speaking to some residents as well. You see this blue painted building here was standing here less than 24 hours ago. As you saw in some earlier photos, but as at now, it has been brought down. Beratamaklo. Afienela.
Shiamala.
Fiki ofamala.
Ya fama joy le chapwama.
You must say go ofama
joy chapwama. Ya
ho afia nye torofia. Ple fia ko ofama no rejichi manani anoshi. Ajiji abaleke.
Ma tenyo kakafo kataklo ho kato joy chapwama. Nyama ho hongwe.
Nyapa ho hongle ni.
Kake oga hoga ko. Jome.
Ya bakpo pe afom nkebe akwewe le ko joy.
Ma fi po ba. No vadia. Ono ma ko hore. Ashiara no maha.
Okay. Ka gbagbaje be fu e ko ira mkpaji. Ayo nyeba chapwa de opade. Afike mlo na lafia, afike na lafia.
Ma la mtoto ya mashia. Ko pacha. Dola shima goje mo
manele fma nya papa munya.
Ya mara manyi gbajo nyenyo nyi gbato hanya nyamba
nijo online baba no. Daniel, ai na mfomfia makaraji be ngogboto yuka mi akpom. Onye be na na jojo mo do motoro nko sefia nyake na glo no fia kokoko pore la show. Na pona ngogboto iken sare loshi. Bo wona na cho na nyake na glo no.
Kuku kumara no banari. Nyera kuku nyecho nyama wola fo no ba no jagbagba. Ogble na nya to. Iruru abana ko mi agbo. Na manyo mi amaro siara kai po mala nyangchu. Nye yigo. Tanyara kuku afọ kuku no bo.
No ko mi agbo le go kama o nkana mi.
Na to dodo ko.
To dodo ke ne chapwa dodo. Okay.
Alo gbo mi na ko.
Daniel.
Afo.
Baba hano.
Ayo.
Anyoge. Ayo nyana vale o volia da o gbo la fiare o kodu me amia pangura po jori le kenya gboro no katafia.
Bajaji ashima ko ni dojoro.
Ni dojoro.
Ganara home.
Afika na home. On to do ke na wana afi.
Anya la ko mayina.
E kafia ba no itopo ko. Ayo la de kene kan dumia ko la.
Badoka taoju.
Badoka taoju.
Kai sha gbata ko chomo la na nya volia raka.
Nada bagavon mi ga igenya va. Mi ga zore ngogba. So folks, I just spoke to this old woman. She told me she's a fishmonger. She has smokes ovens in her house, which were once here, few meters into the sea, and this is their entrance. So the house was washed away within these 2 weeks, 1 week of the tidal waves, and she's using the opportunity to pack these blocks. And according to her, they have to move and come and live with her siblings and in-laws in this structure here, as you can see. let me try and move here and see if I can get some people in the house. And according to her, even the owner of the land, the space here, is harassing them to move out. We don't know how they'll handle that. Let me see if I can speak to some other people here. Okay, Afamoto, the view, Odo now, Mashama. Mioha, Mivaba Miakpo Mirabalake, one now Jimmy. Let me acquire me about your very Jeremy. I think an open me, I feel I know.
I'll point your mirror.
Fika.
Young, you must have a
Oh, okay. Tafia bay chapwa bafanya ni mebala fia. Doki naona.
Oputa dokumona.
Tado abadokana.
Achikuma kuna na roto.
Doto. Oh, okay. Kayo ala fia de doto ga toji mai kemia blowa odona ga jima.
Yo vuroto.
Oh, okay. Ta baba jen do eji nwie. Uno ma shiaro mo no shi o ka fia chiava de etem ne tem jagba foi kata.
Ah, mi te foi kata.
Te foi kata.
Ah.
Kayo kemia tem for me ba for kora. You can watch Joe, you might have a caution at a cafe, in a fiare, lucky, and got me seven got but Toruva and Motova, but putting Waruva, my boy.
Ah, Rokova. Only Ruko, Cobin and me mother, Narakan, our Nibono do Chapon and Nemiako, Vuruko, you do go. Minyo Kai, Wotogan and Mishami Vupogo.
Fiaba le mio fanya ngwa chapu dodo ehia mi fia
anoga ko nguru robe na mi no ngbo jo no chapu do na mi
ngbo chapu do me mako akba Daniel agbonya va viare ma me to shije agble ba chapu dodo aka mi pobo je dore goma cho kovi dore goma mo je cho kovi ba to aga ba ji ba ro mi agbo fia afi oba jogbo ve jojon fia o je goma re
ayo jagoma na nyeba mahamela jaja kana unemi ame abajo ya mokpo miawe na rakam yen jogbe yo ba jojon re miaji magbe magbeche
Daniel mia jeroro segrafia mazemo pokwe ha mi do baba na mi ya wi kpi ga von abale kemi on to mi kpe na do chapudo do aji ma makaji ba jirudu magao magao mi ankosam e na mpofia ko kpo mosam u gagagere manami ya do gbara ba chapo yo bodo chakonye gba na onolaka bo ba ka tei magba fie la ba mi kpo ba nyicho mi ba fie mi kpo ba achu mo kata ba pa motum
na nya ba remi lo kunya re mo fu po yo ro fie kaka dodo fia ka igolani.
Okay, so folks, I've just spoken to this woman too. She is an in-law to the woman I spoke to earlier. As you can see, she's the one doing her fish over there. She says she's a fishmonger, so meaning she's working on that fish to smoke. According to her, they wish that the sea defense will be continued and constructed. She admitted that the NADMO people and some other benevolent individuals have been coming to support them with food items and other relief items, but what they need now, paramount things that they need is the sea defense project. That's what she's saying. She just told me that her house used to be the gutter or the drainage pathway for the sea. As you can see, the sea was crossing the road just yesterday and a few days ago. So when it crosses the road, it passes through the house, and they have to use some of the cement block to defend their kitchen and their bedroom so that the water will not enter, but will just pass here and go into the lagoon. Hello lovely fans and viewers, I'm here in another household. There is no boundary between the shoreline here and this house, for that matter their kitchen, and geographically the tides get high at a time that you will not know. So I'm just wondering how they are surviving here. But as you can see, this is an oven, which we normally call agbado. This is a structure that they use to smoke their fish. We normally call it in our Anglo dialect agbado. They use it for smoking fish, meaning they are lined up here. I'm sure some were found behind here, but the sea has destroyed them. And this is one of their fishing canoes that they have to haul to the land.
Alobia Roberts.
Alobia Roberts. Marco of me here. Loco Joy. Papa Clachapua. Voto Gamalamu. Loco Joy Migalafia. You can let me a catajo choma.
In a Jojoma. I want you Manalaka, you look a fat child help.
Comment l'aime la fille à Tchao?
Tiens, Chapua, elle me ben nami sasa.
Ok.
T'as pas dit quelqu'un, on me pie ko. On va de quoi fio ko. Combien me la paix ko. Chapua rokuba, bami quelqu'un me ho. Quelqu'un m'l'offre me gavali. Ta fio komi ben robi bi ko pour mia roki. A me nya fika iga mi ala. Even kra dagba kra chafo na devie chona modo ayi na re me o la mogodo kra gana re ho ma pa me
Fonya kakare agble ba afo no fia. Ma fu changwe mi no kakare gbe ba ro fia. Akare te fa de kama la shike mi joy bo la ba fia kpo mi la ba le dangerous.
O fiare kama gala mi ashimia
Amanya nya de ke mal boji am ya yiro bo la ba emi la fia ha ta flache. Ni ba na kana joga kam shan la ta jo. Amanya kama nya yi gbogbo.
ya mi la ganya ha ba furenta
Oh wow, amato. Well, nke na no mo kpomfia ba wo le kporang ba yi maka na kpomfia jidudu magaun gbata ma wo mi akpom nko osam o mi anko osam nke na no mo kpomfia ba wo
fia ma fia mi kukura na jiruro mi le ko ni papaji ba no va kpere miangu oba a protect nya na mi akpere miangu a money ba suba mi ami ate ko jijema la wa fia na mi mlo nya ma jijema ma la mi asifia on tona no fa mo bo ba ko jijema rekau
Daniel nyare glom Daniel good evening no le Kenya agba
Nyatefa ni ajojo ma arefu eyan ba ho gbogbo de view ve o dollar Port Harcourt atu ho lagbalagba ho manya ho view ho vovi o kata wojo aya ko aya wo yo jo ma o ga ba da ara fi agoja ye ya mama va la fi agoja
Daniel to agboglomba o la foya ma holy subo wi ya
tu ne bien mo bloga no ho la pa yi o kata chapo joko kankan na bien ma ro bloga no
ta ha ko aso sofia
aya ko suso mi ba la haram
amano nyare bia fonya ayo wala onto akpomba anjingo chafu na ga chọ gbo mi agbo ko va go gala aba mi ha cho katoma wojo ire amogodo de fonya glogere ka kede do kama li amanya nyare ko motoro ko le akwoji lo aro dubu bare mai ke ya fonya fon no mo sho ba daro gbo gwaji agbela fiare gbo afinya no roncho
ta para kama lina mi atio me nyala kama nya blogging ta para kama li ta pa alia ya ga ko mi ala awo ko poto gbe gara kama va li fia mi akoko ga aplo kloba awo mi simiti gbogbo ya di vlo gara kama ga va li fia mi awo mi gara kama li fia mi ada mi be ko ta pa ha
kina jibe wo na yi kunya je ko ka kina jibe wo na yi fia elebe for hair so ya go pera ba ma ju ya pa gbe na ga tro ba
imi gbogbo ba ma wona no jiri no na ba kuchapo ama
no kuchapo ama
otayi alabata ya na chianyi ga ma do hina ma wo otayi a atapo yo bua nya ga pe o akara ma wu
okay akwa my lovely viewers and fans I told you this house is an interesting house because the storyline is getting interesting and scary. But as you can see in the pictures, this is very dangerous. And according to the man and the woman that I just spoke to, who are the members of this household, according to them, they wish they can evacuate themselves to a higher ground. But unfortunately, they don't have anywhere or asking anybody to go to. And if they have to move somewhere, it involves money. They need money to maybe put up some temporary structures.